Okay, now members, we are going to see how we use a graph to show the translations given in the question. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let us go to the question. The question says, triangle ABC with coordinates, these are the coordinates A, then this is B and C, and translated by T, this is the translation matrix now. Find the image of the coordinates of the triangle formed using a graph. Now we have, don't go on to same T plus O is equal to I. Now here we have to use a graph. So now I'm done with plotting. I've done this for you. We know how to plot 1, 1, x 1, y 1. Then B, 3, 1. 3 on the x, then 1 on the y. Then 3, 3. 3 on the x, then 3 on the y. They are meeting there. So now, let us see how do we translate. Our translation matrix T is 3, 2. You have to be careful with the signs. 3 positive means this is now the x, this is what we move in the y. In the x, we are moving the 3, but positive meaning we are going in the positive direction. Then y, you are moving in 2, but it's positive meaning we are going in the positive y. Let us see what happens. So from here, now this one, I'm going to move 3 in the x. So let me see. I'm moving the 3 in the x, 3 units. This is 1, 2, 3. So it's here. 1, 2, 3 in the x positive, because this is positive. Then after, I move 2 in the y. So I count here. This is 1, this is 2. So this will be 1, 2. So it's going to be here. So this is where my A prime is going to be. I move the 3 in the x, 1, basing on this. 1, 2, 3. Then after reaching here, we move 2 in the y. Because it's positive, so we move in the positive y. 1. So I mean it was here. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then you move 2 in the y. 1, 2. That's where my coordinate is going to be. Then when I come to now B, I also move 3 in the x, 3 in the y. We first move in the x 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. After moving those 3 units, it will be here in the x. Now you move 2 in the y. It's positive, so you move up. So I'll move 1, 2. So it's going to be now here. And now this is going to be now my B prime. Hope you are together. When I come to C, I also move 3 in the x. 1, 2, 3. Now I move 2 in the y. This will be 1, 1, 2. So it's going to be here. This is where it will be my C prime. Then after that, you are free now to join your triangle with ease. So you have done with translating it. So you join those new coordinates. Then this means, now after doing that, of course this one is done on a graph paper. Now you can easily read the coordinates of this triangle. Triangle form this. So now my A prime, you can read it's 4, 3. It's 4, 3. Then my B prime is here. It's 6, 3. It's 6, 3. Then my C prime, you see it's 6, 5. It's 6, 5. And that's how you answer that. When I come to this, I also done with the plotting. The triangle PQR with verses P, negative 1, 2, negative 1, 2. Then negative 4, 2, negative 4, 2. And R, negative 2, 5, negative 2, and then 5. You see that 5 is positive. Translated using, now you see we have a negative, you take care. Negative 2, 2. Find the coordinates of the image triangle of PQR using a graph. So the image triangle of this. How do we use? You first note your translation matrix. So RT is 2, negative 2. This shows that this is going to be in the x, this is in y. But since it's negative, meaning we are moving negative. Negative now, this is the negative of x. And this is the positive of y. The other side we have been moving in the positive of x, now we are moving in the negative So this one is going to move negative 2 units this side. So it will be now, this is 1, this is 2. Then after moving negative 2, it's moving 2 in the y, but 2 is positive, meaning I'm moving up. So this will be 1, 2. So for it, it's going to be here. I repeat, this is my p. I move negative 2. So negative, this is the x in the negative. So I move 2, 1, then 2. After moving 2, then you move 2 in the positive of y. So from here I'll be having now 1, 2. So you move also 1. This will be now 1, then 2. So it's going to be there like this. So this is going to be our coordinates. Now if this is P, now this one is going to be P prime. When I come to Q, I move 2 in the negative. Basically here this will be now 1, then 2. Then after moving 2 in the negative, I move 2 in the positive of y. So I'll be having now 1, then 2. So it's going to be here. So it's going to be here. For you, the graph, it will be very accurate. So this is going to be now my Q prime. Then when I come to R, I move also to the negative. So I will say this is now in R, it's negative 2. So this is 1, then this is 2. So it will end at negative 4. When you move to, because it's here, so 1, 2, so it will end at negative 4. 1, it will move here 1, then 2. Then in the positive of y, I move 2, meaning I'm going to move up to it. 1, then 2. So it's going to be here. So this will be my R prime. So can I repeat for that? We said for R is here. So if it's here, we are moving 2 in the negative. So this will be 1, then 2. Then also you are moving 2. Now this one you are moving in the, if it was negative, you will go down, but it's positive, meaning we move up. So 1, 2, and that will be the triangle P prime, Q prime. After that now, you join. You join like this. Then like this. Then you also join this one here. So that will be my triangle. This one, okay, let me do it like this so that it doesn't lose that vertex there. So that is now the new image. So this is going to be our image, and this is going to be our object. Now I can give the coordinates. Now for my P, now my P prime, is that my P prime is negative 3, 4. Negative 3, comma. We read it properly. We start by reading the x coordinate, then read the y. First read the x, then read the y. So that's why I'm reading negative 3 first. Then I read negative 4. Then I come and I read this. I read the x first. You see that our Q prime, the x coordinate is going to be negative 6. Then the y coordinate is going to be 4. When I come out my R prime, I read the x first. My x is going to be negative 4. Then my y is going to be 7. And so there you have some that number. So this one, you don't use the formula if they tell you to use the graph. So that's how we have it. Now we are going to see what if we have seen a negative of x. Now we are going to see what if we have a negative of y. I wish you well.